What's going on, guys? Jacob from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Standing behind me, I do have the 2017 Tahoe consignment listing that we just received in not long ago. This is the 550 TS. No, it is not 55 foot, it is 17 foot. It is a bow rider, which is an awesome boat for any day cruising, hang out with friends, family, or just enjoying on the water. Let's hop up inside and I'll show you a little bit more. And now that we're up here inside the boat, in the back, this is powered with a Mercury 154 stroke horsepower. This motor pushes this boat very fast. In the back, you'll see we have a nice sun lounge area with seating, a bench seat in the back, captain's chair, co-captain's chair, in-floor storage, as well as the center walk-through where the name bow rider comes from, because you are allowed to ride on the bow of the boat, safely of course. Has a full wraparound seating with speakers, so you're able to make sure you're partying in the front and in the back of the boat. If you want to know anything more about this boat, please come see me at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Again, my name is Jacob Wright. You can reach me at 850-819-9106. Thank you.